Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how zippers are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing factory tours. Zippers are made from plastic or metal. First, these raw materials are prepared and sent into machines for processing. Next, the material is melted and shaped into tiny teeth, and this is the most important part of a zipper.
For metal zippers, machines cut each tooth with extreme precision at high speed.
Then, these teeth are attached to fabric strips to form the zipper chain.
This small part is called a slider. It controls how the zipper opens and closes.
Now everything comes together and the zipper is assembled and tested.
Each zipper is tested to make sure it works perfectly every time.
Finally, the zippers are packed and ready to be shipped worldwide.
Now you know how zippers are made. Like and subscribe for more amazing factory videos.